polishes of this particular brand. It's called Kiss Gel Strong Nail Polish from DT. These were from several months ago as well. I do have some other colors that I've done swatches on. I don't know if I've done videos on all of them, but these were the latest ones that I found the last time I grabbed some from the Dollar Tree. The first one I want to swatch for you guys is this black polish. I haven't tested it out to see if it stamps well. I can after I swatch these. This one is called Express. I don't think this is going to stamp well, just the way I see right now. It's not a cream polish, so you'll need like at least 2 coats to get this pretty opaque. It looks a little bit darker on camera, but in person this looks more like a grayish black. Anyway, and then after that I'm gonna be swatching this red color. This one is called Be On Top. Actually, it's not even red. It looks more like a pink tone. I apologize, I thought it was red. Yeah, it's definitely not red, it's pink. And then after that, excuse me, I don't even know how to pronounce that. This is a purple one. Oh, very nice. Very, very nice. That's beautiful. Wow. Okay. Let's do this green one right here. Dressy or dress, yeah, dressy, I don't know. Green, let's do green, forest green. It's pretty thick. More purples. Necessity. No. I don't know necessity. I don't know. Don't make fun. Okay. Let's watch this one. Wow, look at that. Woo. Oh my god, yeah. So pretty. So pretty. I love that one. If you guys find these at DT, just go ahead and grab them. You won't regret it. It's only $1. This one is called In the Day. This is just a cream. No sparkles in this one. You definitely need 2 coats of this. Push these to the side. Bring some of these over. Alright, let's grab this one next. Happiness. It's not the same as the other one. It kind of looks close enough, but if you look here, this is darker. So when I put on the second layer, we should be able to see the difference. One and only. Big chunky flakes in this one. Very pretty. You could definitely use that as a topper. And this one is called Silence. If you shake the bottle, that should go away. I've just had it sitting for several months. I like this one. Very nice. Simple, like a real elegant, simple color. Very it's similar to this one, except this has more gold to it. The other one's more like a rose gold. And some silver in there. And this last one is called Difference. It's not a vanilla, it's not white, I don't know how to describe it, but maybe you can call it a vanilla. It's not a bright white. Okay. It's coming off white, it's a little bit more muted in person. Okay, I'm gonna let all of these dry up.